Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to text people on TikTok 2025 step by step. Start by opening a profile, tapping the message icon, and choosing a conversation or send message button to begin. Use a friendly opener, reference a recent video, and keep messages concise. Attach a short clip or voice note to stand out, and respect boundaries by waiting for replies before sending follow-ups or repeated messages. Warm up with a genuine compliment tied to a recent video, and then ask a simple question to invite a reply. Use emojis sparingly, send one clear point per message, and avoid long paragraphs. If sharing links or files, explain why and ask permission first. When someone doesn't respond, wait before following up and respect their choice if they prefer not to continue the chat. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help more people learn these steps. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated on the go and during long recording sessions, with a reliable cap that prevents spills. It's a small upgrade that makes content creation easier and more comfortable. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Media can make your texts feel more human, so try short clips or quick voice notes that match your message. Always check privacy and messaging settings to limit requests and protect personal info. Never share sensitive data like addresses or financial details in a message. If a conversation feels off or becomes abusive, use TikTok's block and report features to stay safe and maintain a positive experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.